Okay, this is problem 13 from chapter 4 of CFIN7. This is a future value and annuity problem. So what is an annuity? Annuity is a series of equal payments. That's the key thing to remember here. Also in this problem, we'll have payments at the beginning of the year and the end of the year. Remember that the default is the end of the year. Question here. At the end of each of the past 14 years, Vanessa deposited $450 into an account that earned 8% compounded annually. How much is in the account today? So and this is A actually here. So end of year. So the 14N. Do this. I prefer to do accounting, so hit the comma and that formats everything in accounting. So and then I'll format this as a percent. So if I hit the percent key now, hit the percent key and get I added 2 zeros. So I can enter 8. I don't have to enter 0.08. If I am using decimals, I've got to use 0.08. So there's nothing in the account today, and my payment is $450. So I'd enter minus $450. If I entered a positive, I would get a negative answer. And the negative's not wrong. It's just you wouldn't enter it for an answer on an exam. So equals future value FV. So FV. All right, so rate is 8%, and so the N is the 14, and then my payment is $450, and the present value is actually optional here. You don't have to enter it. So the $10,896.71 is how much would be in the account today. So if we switch this to the end of the year, we actually can copy all this over. Control C, Control V, and I'll go up here and I click, and it'll set the width wide enough so I can see everything. If you see this just means your column's not wide enough. If you see the all numbers. So now if I come over here, I can enter type. So the 0 is the end of the period, 1 is the beginning of the period. So it's she made the payments at the beginning of the period, she's going to have 1 more year of interest earned. So that means that it's $11,768.45. I can also do this, but it could be one. You have to understand whether it's 1 year, 1 month, so forth. So if I take the payments at the end of the year and I multiply them by 1 plus the rate, the 8%, so it'd be 1.08. It's going to give me the same number. That's all we're doing by paying. But if you started making the payments at the beginning of the year, it increases the interest that she earns.